is Jayasuriya. I am coming from Tamil Nadu. I have completed my degree BE in the stream of civil. My passed out year is 2023, and I have joined the QSpiders before two months. I think 2 months. At first, I don't have that hope whether I will get job or not because I am from civil department and I am trying to enter in IT. And then after consulting with everyone, they are telling we will definitely make you get job. And after that, I am totally unaware of programming and all. And I got on staff Rahul sir and Parth sir. Staffs are really good. They are teaching you each and everything from base. So it was very helpful to me. Now I got job. My salary package is 3.5. Thank you.